Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the string concatenation in Python. Basically, if you want to join two or multiple strings, how you can do that. Okay? So, to concatenate or combine two strings, you can use the plus operator. Okay? So, let's see that in action. So, let's do string str1 equals to hello. Okay? And then do str underscore 2 equals to world. Okay, now how we can join that? Okay, so what we can do something like message equals to, then what we can do str1 plus str2. Okay, and now we can print the message. Simple, right? So what will happen? This hello and the world will be joined together inside of a string. So if I just run the program, as you can see, we are getting hello world. And also one thing to point out here is that we are not getting any sort of spaces. Okay. To add a space, what we can do, we can add a space here. Okay. If I just run that, as you can see, we are getting hello world. Or what we can do, we can go here and add another plus sign, and inside of here we can add a space. Okay, so if we do that, then we are getting the same result, hello world. Okay, so this is how we can concatenate two strings. Okay, so this is how we can do that. Now one other thing to point out here is that, for example, we are having another one. So if I just go down here, so let's do ice str. Okay, so equals to ice, and I want to print out ice cream. So how I can do that? I can do that by do something like cream and then str equals to something like cream. Okay, and if I just print out the ice str plus cream str. Okay, if I just save that and run the program, as you can see, we are getting ice cream. Okay, or what we can do, we can do something like this, just add a space here, so we are getting ice cream here. Okay, this is good. So here we can do something else as well. So what we can do, we can comment out this one and do ice str equals to ice str plus cream. Okay, and we can just print out this one, ice str. Okay, if I just run the program, as you can see, we are getting ice cream here. So what exactly is happening? So we are reassigning this variable to the previous value plus this cream value. Okay, or we can do the same thing with a shorthand syntax. So I will get rid of this one and I will just add a plus sign here. If I just do that, then we are getting the same result. Okay, as you can see, we are getting hello world and then we are getting ice cream. Okay, so we can do that. Also, this thing which we just done, it is using string currently right now, but we can do that by using number as well. So if I just do something like a equals to let's do 20, and then a plus equals to 50, and print a. Okay, we can do this, right? If I do that, as you can see, we are getting 70 here. Okay, or we can do minus equals to as well. If I do that, then we are getting minus 30 here. So this is basically the same logic. What exactly is happening? We are saying like, hey, let's do a equals to a minus 50, something like that. So this line and this line is equivalent. Okay, awesome. So this is how we can concatenate two strings. In the next video, we will see how we can add variables to our strings. Okay?